it's doing. Welcome back. We're on a Sunday morning bright and early, and we're heading out to Lakeside. There's All Aussie day on out there today, so let's go out, see what it's all about. I haven't been to one. I may have been in my old wagon, but I don't think I had. But we'll see what's out. I don't know if anyone's going that I know, so we'll have a bit of a wrap around the track and have a look around the car park, see what's there, and see how we go for the day. So we're all checked in, and driver's armband. I got my tickets here. It's $20 session. VIP, which I got for a pit lane access, was 2 sessions as well. So I got sort of 5 sessions to go out in today. So we'll have a wandering around and see what we can find. There's a massive variety. This is the show and shine section, I think, as well as access out into the track, so you can park here and then get out into the track.
But she's going to New South Wales.
Yeah, big variety, old, new. Yeah, so massive variety. Everything Australian, even the mullets. All right, we'll head back to the car, put these stickers on, and have a wander around the pit lane area. So that's the rig, and it's just started to rain. Hopefully it's just a passing cloud, because they don't go too well in the rain. But from what the driver's briefing was just saying, it's a max of 110 k's an hour, even down the main straight. So I don't think there's gonna be any races as such, but we'll see how we go. It's a different crowd to what I normally have, so I don't know anybody, and we'll have a wander around and see who's here and what cars are here, and see what the day's all about. So I'm glad I got a undercover with this rain.
That's sick, eh, that XE? And I swear.
Alrighty, drivers, make sure you have done your driver's briefing before you head out of track. And of course, because of the rain, we're going to hear a lot of this throughout the day. But please, once you do head out of track, make sure you drive safely. When the track is wet.
So yeah, it's half a pit lane. I'll go hide under the cover and wait for the rain to go. So we're just lining up in the VIP section. There's a few cars already lined up, and it's hot as balls. We're supposed to have our windows up to just have a 100mm gap, so I don't know how that's going to go with no AC, but I'll go see how we go. Hopefully get some movement. There's some air coming in, but it's not so bad. So we're out on track, we're moving, and got a pace car to keep things safe. Been a while since I've been on Lakeside. Yeah, I think we're running the pace car just so that everyone's out on track. Nothing much is going to happen in this session because the ground's so wet, but have a cruise. So here we're having a bit of a race down the main straight, but as soon as I come on boost, it's just way too slippery, it kicks out. Session, and I think there's a VIP only session, and then I'm in 1, 4 and 6, so I'll go out in the VIP and then I'll wait for 4, and then I think I've So have a couple of runs, hopefully it dries up and we can have a bit of a play down the front straight properly, and have a good day. It's good to see another brother pissing people off. Obviously later model Barra. Possibly similar size turbo. And still no room. So it's session number 2, looks like it's drying out a little bit.
Coming up next, that's VIP cruise number 1.
Oh, we've got another cruise coming next. No, you're all right. You're more important than me.
You got the little ones here today. Right next to because yeah, it was a bit slippery when it was wet. Well, that session went much better. It was dry. I had lots of races. Hopefully, I think I was just seeing Jess pull in, so hopefully she can jump in the car and be passenger and hold the camera for some runs. But I think next one's run 3, then I'm out again for run 4. So hopefully she's here. I'm pretty sure it's her car, and she can be on the camera and we get some runs. So another cruise session started. Lakeside's a pretty cool place. They call it Lakeside because they've got the lake just here and it wraps around top of the hill, comes back around, you go over the bridge, then come back around the hill. So there's heaps of elevation, heaps of places to see action. Just noise stuff here because there's so many houses close by that complain about noise, which sucks. So there's no drifting here. Well, there is. There's on a wet skip hand, but it's not really drifting. It's just skip control stuff, which is still cool for people to come out and try and do. But it's just awesome place. Just people complain about noise.
Now you can see that there's a house just across the lake here, there's another one over there, and they're all wrapped around. So, beautiful spot. Hopefully it stays around for a while. So here's Jess and Jace's cars. Full sale, HK if you want it, if you're interested. Jess is looking to move it on. And this is the sort of people that these events attract. Just burger eating mongrels. Hi mate!
Hi mate.
What are you doing?
Driving. At this session. Hey Jace. I was going to be passenger in Jace's car, but someone lost the keys. We found them. We're going to go get them, and hopefully Jess is going to get tickets for race 6, and we'll have some runs together. And we're heading out. Pretty cool. We're going to go to tunnel. That's it, it's lunchtime, it's red hot, and it just seems to be more Falcons and Commodores raced that are sort of stock, so nothing sort of exciting to race. So we'll head back home. So something different, all Aussie day. Probably do it again, just make sure I get some guys that I know have got some quick cars, we'll come have some fun legally on the track. But that's it for this one, so hopefully you liked it. Let us know below, either way I guess, if you want to see it again or not, or more VL content, and if not, I'll see you on the next one.